So in the previous video, we set up the base for the program of the count something. Basically, you click on your different food items, and then it adds the cost to the variable. We hit the green flag, it resets. But we're going to come and start working at our apple. And what we're going to do is we're going to use an if statement. So I'm going to come down to my if statement. And what I want to have happen is limit students in the cafeteria from spending more than $20. So what I'm going to do is grab my or statement, and what I want to say happens if, let's build it out here. There we go. If the student's total equals 20 or greater than 20, I want something to happen. The reason I'm choosing equals or greater than 20 because the student might go over 20 without hitting 20, which would mean that the program would skip this because we wouldn't have triggered that. So I'm going to come back to my variables. I'm going to bring in my cost. So if that cost variable equals 20 or is greater than 20, and what do I want to have happen? I preloaded a backdrop to be an error. Now I'm going to attach this here to our apple. What you're going to notice is I'm going to click the donut and nothing happens. That's because in order for that to trigger, the apple button would have to be pressed. So we're going to reset this. So what I need to do is go back to my apple, and I'm going to grab this piece of code and I'm going to throw it in my backpack. The backpack allows you to copy code between screens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this code out of the backpack, and I'm going to attach it to happen when I click on my banana. I'm going to go to my donut, and I'm going to have that same code check itself when I click on the donut, and ultimately that same piece of code brought in so when we click on our taco. So now we can see as I add randomly across, we're going to notice we get that error sign telling us that the student has spent more than $20, and we can verify that with our variable. Now we can also do some more advanced math functions as well.